Good noon to everyone. To discuss about in the IPC instrumentation and process control. Now discussion part instrumentation unit number 13 pressure measurement यानी कि pressure and strain measurement. एम जो अपने introductions part some units and the Warden gauge which is the most important theory some classifications. Okay, most of the important part આપણે discuss કરીશું. Now start the introduction part. The measurement of pressure and vacuum is highly essential is in a continuous processing industrial in many operation. It is necessary to measure and control pressure of liquid or gas to avoid any hazardous. Hence pressure measurement is done one of the most important of all processes measurement. In this chapter we shall study the principle, some construction, working and characteristics of the pressure sensor matter. Now the pressure is defined as the amount of force any applied per unit surface area on which is act normally. A unit of pressure from the identification of pressure its unit can be derived as 7 units: Newton per square meter, Pascal, atmosphere or bar unit, atmosphere અને બાર માટે, pound per square inch, psi, micron, torr અને head units in a millimeter, mercury of water for any other liquid માટે છે. ઓકે, સિમ્પલી જે મેઝરમેન્ટના બેસિસ આપણે ડિસ્કસ કરીશું. નાઉ ધી રિલેશન બિટવીન ધ ડિફરન્ટ યુનિટ. તો 1 પાસ્કલ બરાબર કેટલા હોય? તો 1 ન્યૂટન પર મીટર સ્ક્વેર ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ 10⁵ minus 5 kg per centimeter square. 1 square per inch, Pascal square per inch. What is the psi? Pounds per square inch. 6.9 into 10 square kg per centimeter square is equal to 6.9 kilopascals. 1 kg per centimeter square is equal to 14.7 pounds per square inch. 1 atmosphere is equal to 1 bar is equal to 1 kg per centimeter square is equal to 760 mm of Hg. So 1 micron is equal to 10⁶ mHg minus 6 is equal to 19.34 into 10⁻³ pound per square inch. 1 mmHg is equal to 133 pascals and 1 inch water is equal to 24 pascals. Pressure scale છે. Unknown pressure can be expressed either in a gauge scale, absolute scale or vacuum scale માટે. Now the relation between the different pressure scale in a shown in a figure. તો ફિગરને ખાસ ફોલો કરો અને ડ્રો કરી લેજો ખાસ રિલેશન બિટવીન પ્રેશર સ્કેલ માટે. નાવ ધ એબ્સોલ્યુટ રીડિંગ, વેક્યુમ સ્કેલ, ગેજ સ્કેલ, ગેજ રીડિંગ, એટમોસ્ફેરિક પ્રેશર, ઝીરો ગેજ પ્રેશર, વેક્યુમ રીડિંગ છે. એબ્સોલ્યુટ ઝીરો પ્રેશર તરીકે એને આપણે ફોલો કરવાનું રહેશે. નાવ ધ રિલેશન બિટવીન ધ પ્રેશર સ્કેલ આપણે જોયું. એમાં ફર્સ્ટ છે ગેજ સ્કેલ. તો ગેજ સ્કેલ છે આપણો ધીસ ઇઝ અ સ્કેલ એઝ એટમોસ્ફેરિક પ્રેશર એઝ ધ લોએસ્ટ એટલે કે 0 point. In the other words, zero pressure on the gauge scale is nothing but atmospheric pressure of 1 bar એટલે કે 760 mm Hg 1 kg per centimeter square or 14.7 psi. The head unit of pressure measurement and the pressure head is in the a liquid column of mass density and weight density omega and height express a hydrostatic pressure P at the bottom of the column given by this equation. So P is equal to rho Hg is equal to H omega. Okay, so write down this equation. A liquid column માટે and the pressure that can be expressed in terms of the liquid column of height h and mass density rho as h is equal to rho by p by rho g and p by omega. यानी कि रो ची इज इक्वल टू ओमेगा. Now atmospheric pressure is a 76 centimeter of Hg, means the pressure equal the hydrostatic pressure of mercury column of height 760 centimeter. Usually small pressure are expressed in a meter or centimeter or millimeter or mercury of water column માટે. And the pressure gauge is used to the measure unknown pressure in a gauge unit, some balancing the unknown pressure against atmospheric pressure, and it's expressed as a pounds per square inch in a gauge. For absolute scale માટે જોઈશું આપણે. This is a scale has absolute zero pressure as the lowest point. A pressure gauge used to measure unknown pressure is absolute zero. All the definitions, okay. Now the absolute pressure is equal to gauge pressure plus atmospheric pressure. Vacuum scale માટે જોઈ લો. Vacuum is equal to minus gauge pressure. Now the classification, okay, note down this all the manometer and elastic element gauge such as Bourdon diaphragm capsules તરીકે જોઈશું આપણે. Now the elastic elements gauge such as the Bourdon tube, followed the diaphragm capsules. Different techniques are used for measuring pressure in a different range. For a height above in a 1000 atmosphere, low of order of 1 millimeter of Hg and below, and moderate pressure, the static pressure are measured directly while the dynamic pressure are converted into displacement by this electrochemical transducer. The pressure sensor are broadly classified into the gravitational force. For example તરીકે જોઈએ તો manometer and elastics types, the pressure transducer used in a different pressure range are given below. Now electrical sign using the transductions element that have the raised different pressure transducer as follows તરીકે છે. Okay, now the one by one. Moderate pressure sensor, manometer, elastic element gauge such as Bourdon tube, bellows, diaphragm capsules. The output of elastic element in the term of the displacement, which is then converted into the electrical signals using the transitions element that give the rise to different pressure transducers as follows. 1. Potentiometric transducer, strain gauge transducer, variable LVTD, variable capacitance sensor, force balance sensor, thin film, piezoelectric digital measurement. then high pressure, low pressure માટે અલગ અલગ છે. some advantages છે. okay, note down these advantages. This is the important part. Now the limitations and advantages. simple inexpensive construction, high accuracy sensitivity. limitations છે અલગ અલગ. this is the most important theory. બોર્ડન પ્રેશર ગેજ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્સ છે, જીટીયુમાં પૂછી શકાવાની શક્યતા 100%. A Borden introduced the 1852 as a curve to twisted tube having non-circular transverse section. According to Borden theory, a tube having internal cross section that is not a perfect circle, if bent or distorted, has the property of changing its shape with internal pressure variation. This causes the free and deflection of the tube, which can be taken as the measure of change in a pressure inside it. For some construction, Borden pressure gauge માટે figure 3.7 is the C-shaped Borden tube is in this figure, which is formed by the welding the tube of the form each segment of the circle having arc length of about 270 in a spiral type. The number of turns are wound in the shape of the spiral about the common axis as shown in a figure. And helix types of this figure જોઈએ આપણે this one. ઓકે, અલગ અલગ ટાઈપની ફિગર છે, પીડીએફ તમને ગ્રુપમાં મોકલી છે, જોઈ લેજો એક વખત ખાસ. All the discussion part. For a Borden tube material, a Borden spring can be made of the any metal or alloy that exhibits satisfactory elastic properties. Materials used are the brass, phosphorus, bronze, monol, beryllium, copper, stainless steel, etc. Some range આપી છે, એની વર્કિંગ છે પાર્ટ, advantages, disadvantages. Okay, this is a diaphragm differential pressure gauge. Okay, so in a draw in your notebook. Now the metallic diaphragm, these elements are the flexible circular disc. This type for discussion part in all above non-metallic or stock diaphragm. For a pressure નિરંકલી છે, મિનિમમ અને મેક્સિમમ માટે 0 to 2 of H2 અને 0 to 400 pound per square inch. Advantages જોઈ લો. Moderate cost and small size. For corrosion resistance material can be used. Good linearity, can be used for pressurized slurries. And the limitations: lack of vibration resistance, suitable for relatively low pressure, turbulence repairing, capsule pressure gauge. Okay, calibrations, this is the most important, bellows pressure gauge, bellows. This element is elastic element which gets deflected at the free and when pressure is fed through fixed end, and this free and deflection can be taken as the measure of the pressure inside it. Now the construction and working simply આપણું છે બુકમાં જોઈ લેજો એક વખત ખાસ. Okay, and the most ofly bellows differential pressure gauge નો discussion part છે તે જોઈ લઈએ આપણે. One of the pressure is fed inside the bellow while the other is fed outside, is so that the differential pressure act across the bellows. The moment of the free end of the bellows represent the differential pressure. પ્રેશર રેન્જ છે તે લખી લખવા ગેજ પ્રેશર, વેક્યુમ પ્રેશર અને ડિફરન્શિયલ પ્રેશરની રેન્જ છે, અલગ અલગ આપી છે. Now the last one for a calibration procedure is same that the Bowden gauge. Some advantages: moderate cost, adiabatically, absolute and differential pressure, low to moderate pressure range. Limitation: no suitable for high pressure, require ambient temperature compensation part માટે. Okay, the most of complete this chapter pressure measurement. Thank you so much.